That's
Like,
nice.
yung discipline namin talagang on point ang discipline namin.
This is something new. Yeah. So talaga pag inalis mo yung prejudice, you learn more with the person. So you don't drink.
Occasionally.
Oh,
Minsan
ako.
pakisamang inom.
Sarap! Pag ang sarap ay singlakas ng tama. Panalo, lakas makasulit ng Red Horse Beer. Masasarapan ka. Hahanap-hanapin. Ang sarap. Ulitin. Lakas ng sarap. Lakas ng tama. Red Horse Extra Strong. The #1 dito. Tama!
Pero nung bata kami, oo, sige, ganyan. Pero nung nagkaayusan na ng buhay.
Oh. Ako nung araw, occasionally umiinom ako tuwing may birthday. Oh, kaya lang araw-araw may birthday eh.